Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Business Education Content Knowledge Test? This is test number 5101. Praxis 5101 has several subtopics. This worked solution set covers the subtopic of economics. Please note that while calculators are permitted, they must be non-QWERTY keypads only. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Let's get started. Problem number 1. What is represented by the intersection of the red and blue lines? Equilibrium, elasticity, the number unemployed, or the surplus? In this case, the red line represents the aggregate supply and the blue line represents aggregate demand. The intersection of these lines represents equilibrium. So this is the correct answer. Equilibrium occurs where the quantity of goods demanded equals the quantity of goods supplied. At this point, there is no surplus or shortage in the market. On the graph, this point is where the aggregate supply curve intersects with the aggregate demand curve, indicating the price level and GDP at which the economy is in balance. So why is it not the other answers? Elasticity. This measures response to price changes and is not shown by this intersection. So that's not correct. The number unemployed. This is not directly indicated by this point, although it is inferred from other indicators. The surplus. This occurs when supply exceeds demand, so this doesn't apply either. So the correct answer is most definitely equilibrium. Problem number 2. Which best describes products within a market structure recognized as being a monopolistic competition market, produced by only 3 or 5 major companies, similar but with differences from company to company, entirely identical regardless of how many companies are involved, or produced entirely by one company. So the best description of products within a market structure recognized as being a monopolistic competition market is similar but with differences from company to company. So this is the correct answer. In a monopolistic competition market, many firms sell products that are similar but not identical. Each company tries to differentiate its products from those of competitors through branding, quality, features, and other attributes. This product differentiation is a key characteristic of monopolistic competition. Why are the other answers incorrect? Produced by only 3 or 5 major companies, this describes an oligopoly. So that's not correct. Entirely identical regardless of how many companies are involved, this describes perfect competition. So also not correct. Produced entirely by one company, this describes a monopoly. So the correct answer is therefore similar but with differences from company to company. Problem number 3. In a certain country, there are only 3 firms in the telecommunication industry: Safaricom, Airtel, and Telcom. Safaricom has 70% market share, Airtel has 20% market share, and Telcom has 10% market share. Which of the following market structures best describes the telecommunications industry? Oligopoly, perfect competition, monopoly, or monopolistic competition? Beginning at the top, oligopoly. A few firms dominate the market, and in this case, we have 3 firms, Safaricom, Airtel, and Telcom, controlling the market, with Safaricom in this case having 70% market share. Therefore, the correct answer is oligopoly. Why are the other answers incorrect? perfect competition. Many small firms, identical products, no market control. And this does not fit as there are only 3 firms. Monopoly. This is when one firm controls the entire market, and that does not work with this scenario, so it is not monopoly. Monopolistic competition. Many firms with differentiated products. And in this scenario, we have only 3 firms. So this is incorrect as well. The correct answer is definitely oligopoly. Problem number 4. Which of the following is the correct definition of a monopoly? A monopoly is a company that produces only one product. A monopoly is a firm with many subsidiaries. A monopoly is a company operating in a market with very little competition or no competition. Or a monopoly is a company operating in a market with a high degree of competition. So a monopoly exists when a single company dominates the entire market, facing little to no competition at all. This allows the firm to control prices and output levels without any competition from other firms. So the correct answer is a monopoly is a company operating in a market with very little or no competition. Why are the other answers incorrect? A monopoly is a company that produces only one product. Monopolies can indeed offer more products, so this is not correct. A monopoly is a firm with many subsidiaries. This is not the definition of a monopoly, so we can eliminate that as well. A monopoly is a company operating in a market with a high degree of competition. Monopolies face no or very little competition, so this cannot be the correct answer either. So, indeed, monopoly is a company operating with very little or no competition. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you can expect to find about the subtopic of economics for the Praxis 5101 Business Education exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.